Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channels. In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account and log in. So go to the official website for Semrush and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. And then now, once you have successfully created your account and logging in here, you will be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can access all your tools, reports, and projects. All right. Now, speaking of navigating your SEMrush dashboard, one of the first things that you need to do here is to create a project. All right. Now, this is the project on the upper left corner. Click on it. By entering your website name, this will keep all your website data in one place and track your progress. All right. Now, you need to enter your domain name or a competitor's domain name to create a project and set up various tracking tools like position tracking, site audit, backlinks, and a lot more. So, for example, in this case, our domain is like maybe paypal.com. For example, this is gonna be our domain. Press enter or click on the start now button. You would be forwarded here. All right. You can start from the technical audit. If you wanted to dive deeper into your website's technical performance, you can set up your first project here by covering all of the insights or all of the keywords found to get more opportunities for real time tracking of your keyword positions. How long do you fare with your competition? All right. Now, the projects are going to be having all of these options, site health. You can check your domain's technical issues right here, visibility, track of the keyword positions, organic traffic, and the backlink. All right. You can add a domain here if you wanted to domains for monitoring, but for now, we're going to create this project. You see, if you want to create more projects, upgrade your plan, but basically this is going to be our first project here on Semrush. Now, once you have set up your project, I want you to go to the sections where you have competitive research, keyword research, link building, on-page and tech SEO. So we have like four. The first thing that you need to check is one of the most important part of the tools here in SEMrush, which is going to be the domain overview. Here, similarly to the creating a project, you just have to enter a domain or URL to get an overall snapshot of its performance. Now you have set up your domain, which is going to be PayPal, and we're going to look at the competition for PayPal. Maybe let's go for Payoneer.com and click on search. This in return will give you an overall snapshot of its performance, your competition for your website PayPal. All right, traffic right here, backlinks, and a lot more. You can now compare domains, Payoneer, and add a competitor, which is going to be PayPal. For example, that's going to be your website or your domain. Click the compare. You can also add the three competitors, but it requires a pro plan. All right. So after using that, you get insights from this. And now, the second option that you need to familiar with when navigating to your SEMrush platform is going to be under the keyword overview. So you have the domain, you have now to explore the keyword overview, which is part of the keyword research. If you click that, what will happen is SEMrush will give you powerful tools to help you find keyword opportunities. Obviously, if you want to rank up your domain or your website against your competitors, you might want to start investing and researching about the keyword overview and the analytics that can give you. All right, so you can create a strategy and a plan later on for your SEO efforts and gaining traffic. Now, you can dive into the largest keyword research database on the market by putting in keywords, separating by comma. If you don't have an idea what keywords would you use, you have these, for example, loans, movies, how to buy audible books. Now, since we are on the PayPal, maybe keywords are how to set up PayPal account. Let's start with these keywords. If you do that, click the search button. It would give you all these. Click the analyze if you want. Wait for it. It'll take a little while. Right here, it would give you the keyword difficulties and the CPC, which is cost per click. We have covered all of these terms from our keyword strategy builder right here that we have discussed on one of our video topics in our channel. All right. Now, after going to the domain overview, keyword overview, if you have gained a significant amount of data about the keywords that could rank up your domain or create traffic, you might want to go to the site audit before you click the backlink building. The site audit is one of the important tools that could help you and your website crawls and checks for SEO issues. All right. And again, you just have to enter your domain, which is, in this case, going to be paypal.com. Site audit. We have covered in our separate video on how to use the site audit. So we're not going to deal with this one for now. Instead, click the crawler settings and start site audit. All right. It'll take a little while depending on the data of the website or the domain. We'll get back to it later on. Once you have finally checked the audit right here, you see the site health is going to be 57%. Errors are a lot. All right. Now, once you have gathered all of the data, on the bottom part corner, you see there is a thing that calls My Reports right here. Now, you can create your custom reports and dashboards tailored to your needs. The My Reports section lets you compile all the data you have gathered into easy-to-read reports. All right, you can create reports from scratch or start from a template. You can simply click the Create a Report here. Now, you have choose one of the ready-to-use templates: monthly competitor analysis, monthly SEO report, full organic research, or maybe a site audit full report, and a full advertising research. If you click that, you would be forwarded to this section. All right. Now, all you're going to do is follow and click the report, and you can effectively navigate the Semrush and begin leveraging its powerful features for SEO, SEM, and competitive analysis. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.